Our enterprise for the production of powdered pharmaceutical products in Kazakhstan has been working in the pharmaceutical market for more than 10 years. Last year, the management of our plant decided to improve the processes at production to optimize the operation of equipment. At a general meeting on the development of production, the leading engineer of the analytical laboratory suggested updating the analytical and laboratory equipment. Using the laboratory equipment, they monitor the ratings of moisture level, melting time, transparency, dissolution, hardness parameters, thickness, decomposability, many analytical operations to determine the quality of raw materials, finished products, be conducted on outdated analytical equipment, which often did not provide indicators of verification. I work as a leading production technologist, and I was tasked to find and buy the tester to determine the degradability of tablets and pellets, which is used to monitor the process of disintegration of solids in the laboratory environment. I began my search, checking the necessary parameters in advance with the leading engineer of the analytical laboratory. He also suggested choosing a compact and modern analyzer, with the ability to regulate the time and frequency of stir rotation in the tanks. The engineer advised me to first contact the manufacturers of the equipment. They provide warranty service, drawings, operation manuals, mounting and installation of manufactured equipment. I followed his advice. I chose one company in Italy, which produces pharmaceutical equipment, went to their website, and wrote a letter, in which I indicated the desired parameters and the capabilities of the machine. I did not indicate a specific machine. I wanted to see what they could offer me. A week later, I received the reply that they did not produce such machines specifically, but could design and produce them, if requested by the end of next year. That was too long for us, so I decided to look for other equipment producers. I found a company in China on the internet that makes a tester for determining the degradability of tablets and pellets. I called them and asked if they could supply me with similar equipment. They said they had such a machine. The manager asked for my phone number and said she would call me back in the evening when she checked with her company engineer about the capabilities of automatic equipment. However, she did not call in the evening. I contacted them the next day. The manager said that she had passed the request on to the design department and that she would contact me when she got an answer. This seems strange to me. When do I wait for an answer? How long to wait for an answer? Not a business-like approach to the customer. After a series of failures, I gave up on finding a pill-dissolving analyzer on my own. I liked that the website was up to date, presented videos of the equipment, lots of contacts for communication. I also noticed that the website had been around since 2003. The company had been on the equipment supply market for a long time, and that is a good reason to say that it was successful. I called the manager. He said he remembered me and was happy to hear from me again. I told him that I was looking for a tester to determine the disintegration of tablets and pellets, and named the characteristics of the machine I wanted. He suggested the option of a tester that was popular with customers and proven in production. I agreed to consider it. The manager emailed me the passport and instructions for use of the equipment. He also offered to perform a turnkey delivery procedure. The tester monitors the temperature level, time, and tank speed. The time can be set on a timer. The set values on the timer and the ratings during operation can be displayed alternately. The lab engineer and I, including myself, were pleased with the tester's proposed option for determining the degradability of tablets and pellets. I realized that I had made the right choice of technician to supply the equipment. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting an expert will speed up the task at hand and free up time that can be spent to your advantage.